Hurricane Dorian is a monstrous storm, still just parked over Grand Bahama. That's where the eye of the storm is right now, and it is just creeping to the west at about 1 mile an hour. You could crawl faster than this storm is moving right now. Did devastating damage within the Bahamas yesterday, continues to do that this morning. It's not going to move very far over the next 24 hours. We'll zoom out, show you the stats on Hurricane Dorian. As of that 5 o'clock update, the winds sustained at 165 miles an hour. That makes it still a Category 5 storm. The gusts are 200 miles an hour. There's that movement west, 1 mile an hour. Sounds very reminiscent of how fast Florence was moving when it was impacting North Carolina a year ago. The storm is going to move just this far in the next 24 hours. That is creeping along. Then it turns to the north and starts to pick up a little bit of speed. As it moves along the coast, even if the center stays offshore, its interaction with land is going to slow down those wind speeds at least a little bit. But it's still a major hurricane by Wednesday night with 115 mile an hour sustained winds. It makes its closest path to North Carolina by Thursday and Thursday night, weakening, but still as a Category 2 hurricane as it brushes the Outer Banks. 100 mile an hour sustained winds, and then weakens even further as it makes its way offshore. Central North Carolina still within that cone of uncertainty, so it's still possible that the storm is going to drift just a little farther west, which would spread those impacts farther across central North Carolina. We're going to keep a close eye on those specific impacts, and we'll